everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. So as you can see, I have my base makeup on. I've got foundation, cream contour, concealer, eyebrows and powder, and that's it. And the first look I'm going to do for this series is a clown. So these few that I'm going to be doing in the next few videos are looks that I think are quite easy and things that you have at home. So if you're going out at the weekend, then these are good looks to use. So let's get straight into it. So the products which I'm going to be using for this look are these two eyeshadow palettes. So I'm using the Pretty Little Thing 24 shade palette, 42 shade palette, and the Beauty Bay Bright Mites 42 shade palette. They're pretty much similar. I probably will use this one the most because it's got the most matte shades in, but if I want to add a bit of sparkle, then I'm going to go for this one. So first things first, I'm going to start by doing my eyes. So as you can see, I've done one side. This side is the purple and blue. I might just add a little bit more blue so it's a little bit more vibrant. So I'm just gonna do that and I'll come right back. Okay, so I've done one half, just about. I do need to add on some eyelashes, but that's one half done. And then this side I'm gonna do as orange, well, red and yellow. So I'm gonna go in with hopefully a clean brush into my palette, and I'm going to take the shade Hello Sunshine and just kind of like bring that up the side. I'm going to add in a little bit of orange as well, just to make sure that you can see it. Bringing that up the side of the forehead like that. And then I'm going to go in with another clean brush and the shade Poppy. Go at the other side and just kind of like, again, create a peak. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take a clean brush and an orange heat wave and go into the inner corner. And then go under the eye with the yellow and drag it down. And do the same with the red. I'm going to get a smaller brush for the red. Take it under and drag it down. Take a bit of orange in the inner corner. But Snazaroo A paint, and I'm going to take a little up and down. So I'm going to go down first. So put a little bit underneath. little brush like this and just kind of blend that into my eye a little bit more. And then taking a yellow. And then I'm going to do the same with the brush but going upwards. So I'm going to start from the eyebrow and pull up. They're a little bit different. They're so different. Okay. I think because this one, there's not as much. Wait, let me redo this. Uno minuto. Okay, so done that. Doesn't look the same, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. I'm going to go in with black now and apply that onto my eyelid. Okay, and then I'm going to draw on my eyebrow in just the tip. Okay, so now that that bit is done, I'm going to go in with a little bit of black on the edge of my nose. The tip of my nose, I mean. And then around that, I'm going to go a bit of purple, a bit of red, a bit of yellow, and blue. Where's the brush? A bit of blue. Gonna go in with black face paint actually on the end of my nose. Put that down. Eyeliner, top and bottom. So for lips, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution lip palette and this kind of like dark berry shade. And I'm going to